I don't think that any reasonable person would disagree that the hydrology of the Colorado River as it is today will not support a Salton Sea the size that it is today. At IID, we've been calling for a smaller but sustainable Salton Sea, a sea perhaps 2/3 the size that it is today. And it is true that outside of the cultivated farmlands, our valley is entirely surrounded by desert. So the wind blows and you're subject to the winds. But as the Salton Sea recedes, and it's going to recede dramatically in the next 5 to 10 years, there has got to be a coherent strategy for how you deal with that emissive lake bed. And
you think renewable energy is part of that?
I think renewable energy ought to be part of that toolbox. And
geothermal in particular, not putting solar panels over the seabed or something.
I think that as with water, in which the last 100 years has been about moving it to population centers from where it was. The next 100 years, we ought to start thinking about moving populations to where the water is. And I think that the Salton Sea, it's a big body of water, but it's not the intractable problem that we're going to have to spend $9 billion on. We just have to decide that in a region like that, where we're trying to do many things at once at a public policy level, that we ought to try and make the area better.